My video is about getting rid of the fake survey alerts by the site Absstoptale.live. Absstoptale.live is a dangerous site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. This site, Absstoptale.live, basically tries to make you share a lot of your personal details. For example, your name, surname, email address, and other data. Definitely, it is a mistake for you to share your personal data through these pop-ups. So be very careful and don't share it. Just leave this page instead. I recommend you to additionally research the computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Go to the website combocleaner.com, download the application, install the software, and then start carefully researching the system. So Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and eliminate other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.